hiccups. Kipper was having fun with Lee. They had a drink. Heck, said Kipper. He had hiccups.
엄마 히컵 안 좋은 거야?
아니, 안 좋은 거 아니야. 그냥 hiccup 하는 거야.
근데 쟤는 물 먹어야 돼?
응.
왜?
왜냐면 hiccup이 멈출 수가 있으니까. 아니면 깜짝 놀라도 hiccup이 멈춰.
간접해도?
너무 많이 웃어도 멈출 수도 있을 것 같아.
하하하 이렇게.
Quick, get a cup of water, said Lee. Did that get rid of the hiccups? said Lee. Heck, said Kipper. Heck, drink it like this, said Biff. 엄마도 어렸을 때 이렇게 했어.
조금 긁혔다.
아팠어?
아니.
피났어?
아니.
그럼
이렇게
엄마도
이렇게 됐다.
옛날에 히컵 할 때 이렇게 비프처럼 물 마셨어.
그러니까 너무 멈췄어.
엄마 멈췄어. 이렇게 하니까.
뭐였다?
아까 줬는데?
있다.
있지. Did that get rid of them? said Biff. Heck, said Kipper. Try hopping and patting your thumb, said Chip. Has that got rid of them? said Chip. Heck, said Kipper. A shark will get rid of it, said Biff. Shh, said Biff. Then, boo! You did it, said Kipper. You got rid of my hiccups. Heck, said Grandpa Chen. Heck, the end.